Hello, boys and girls. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, and how are you? I'm doing well, and I'm very excited. This week, we are going to be focusing on adding and subtracting 2. Not 1, not 0, 2. Very exciting. So let's get started with a game. I like to call it Mystery Number. Okay, it works like this. I'm going to give you a number path here to look at, and I'm going to roll the dice. One of the die. Okay, it says 7. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put down 7 cubes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to cover them. Okay, but there are 7 there. I'm going to put the dice right there. Okay? Now, this may look, let me show you better. This may look like just a marker, but in fact, it is a magic +2 wand that anything I wave this thing at, 2 more appear. So I'm going to wave it at these cubes right here. And then you're going to see magically, I guess, 2 more cubes appear. All right, let's give it a try, shall we? Okay. 1, 2, abracadabra. Hold on, let me try it again. 1, 2, abracadabra. Did it work? There's 2 more there now, right? Okay, so if we have 7 underneath here, which I'm hiding for a reason, Mr. McAndrew has a method to his madness, but it is madness, then how many cubes do I have altogether? I have 7 here, and then I just added 2 more with my magic +2 wand. Wah-wah. So how many do I have? Show me number of fingers. How many cubes do I have? Do I have 5? Do I have 6? Let's do it this way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. What do you think? Well, let's take a look. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We knew that. And then if we add on 2, watch. 8, 9. So we have 9. Who showed me 9? All right, very good. We just added on 2 more. Should we try it again? It's kind of fun, right? Especially the magic wand part. Okay. All right, let's roll the dice. Ooh, we got a 3. Okay, so I'm going to get 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. We're going to cover them. But I'll put that there to remind you that we have 3 cubes there. Okay? All right, now let me get my wand out so I can do this. Okay? All right, ready? 1, 2, abracadabra. Bam! It worked! There's 2 more. Okay, so we're adding 2 more cubes. All right, so we have 3 here, and we're adding on 2. Now, if you look up here, you could think like, all right, so we know there's already 3, and then we're going to add 2 more. So how many is that? Show me fingers. Yeah, you're getting 5. I'm getting 5 as well, because look, 3, 4, 5. So boys and girls, the reason I'm covering it is because I want you to start to think about counting on, not just counting all of them. So what we used to do was this. We put down 3 cubes, and then 2 more, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I want you to start to think about is this. Just look at this and be like, 3, 4, 5. Instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you just look at this and be like, 3, that's why I cover it, 3, right? 3, 4, 5. And if you look at the number line, the number path, you could look at it like, oh, if I rolled a 3, I'm at 3, 4, 5. I have to count on 2 more hops. Okay? All right. So this is super fun. Should we do one more? Oh, I have a challenge for you. Okay? I'm going to have a challenge for you. I'm going to leave the 2 that I just had here. Okay? And I'm going to tell you, this is going to be the biggest challenge you've had probably in all day. I'm going to hide some cubes underneath here. Okay? I'm not going to tell you how many, though. I'm going to hide some cubes. No peeking. No peeking. I'm watching you. Okay. All right, so there are some cubes underneath here, and there's 2 more here. Now I'm going to tell you something. There are a total of, here, I'll find it on my one of my dice here, 6 dice. Okay, there's 6 dice. That's why I put it right there. So there's some underneath here, and there's 2 here. How many are hiding underneath the blue mat? That is the question. All right, think about it for a second, and then show me number of fingers when you think you have an answer for me. All right, so once again, there's some cubes underneath here, and if you add 2 of them, if you put them all together, there's 6 total, but we don't know how many are here. All right, so who thinks it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Let's find out. Drum roll, please. Ta-da! There's 4. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Because here, I'll put it there. Because we had a total of 6, and 2 more gives us, sorry, we had a total of 6. We didn't know how many were hiding, right? But we knew we had 2 over here, and 2 plus 4 more gives me 6. That's pretty fun, right? Okay, so let's get into our work for today. Please take out your math packet, all right? All right, so boys and girls, what you're going to be doing is a word problem, okay, it's about a boy named Stanley who has a magic +2 wand just like me. It looks like a marker, I know, but it's not. It's a magic +2 wand. Okay, so the paper you want looks like this. Monday word problem. I'm going to read it to you. It's a lot of words, but it basically just tells you what I just told you, and then it gives us something to figure out. Okay, so it says, for his birthday, Stanley was given a magic +2 wand. Ta-da! I wonder what color it was. I wonder if it's, what color is this? It says primrose, whatever that is. Okay. When he waved his magic +2 wand at something, 2 more appeared. Oh my goodness, don't wave it at yourself. You clone yourself twice. Huh. For example, he had 3 cookies. He waved his magic +2 wand at the cookies. Shabrazam, kazam, balam. I don't know what he said, but he waved it. So 2 more cookies, right, then appeared. So he had 3. He waved this, right, and then he gets 2 more cookies because that's what happens when you wave the magic wand at it. The question is, how many cookies does he have now? Okay, so he started with 3, and then he waved his wand, and now there's 2 more. So he started with 3, and then he got 2 more. So the question is, how many does he have now? So I want you to draw me a picture. You can do whatever you want. Now notice, I didn't give you anything there. It's just blank space. So I want you to figure out a picture you can draw. Okay, you've been doing this. And then what is your number sentence? When you come back, I'll show you some things that you might have drawn, okay, to help you. Or maybe you do something different. Okay, so do that now and then come back when you're ready. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right, so boys and girls, how did you do? Okay, if you haven't already done this, then please pause the video and do it now. So I'm going to use this to see one way you might do it. All right, so why isn't this working? Oh, I know why. Because it's not a marker, it's my magic wand. All right, let me get a real marker. Okay, so one thing you could have done, boys and girls, is just drawn circles. Like, so he had 3 cookies, right? And then he waved his magic wand, and then he got 2 more cookies. So here he has 3, and here he has 2. Okay, and then let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in total, there are 5 cookies. So then your number sentence could have been 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay, that's one way you could have done it. You could have also drawn a little number line if you want and been like, huh, all right, so let's say this is 0, and let's say that this is 3, and then you added 2 more, so 1 more would give you to 4, and another one would get you to 5. So you could do something like that. Did you draw a different picture? All right, there's different ways you could do it. Okay? All right. So the last thing you're going to do today, boys and girls, is something that you've seen before. Okay, it's in your math packet. It looks like this. You've done it with 1 and 0, so you already know how to play this. But just to remind you, you roll the dice. One of your die, that's a 6, because the dot always goes at the bottom. Okay? Actually, hold on, sorry, you have to put this in your dry erase sleeve, so let me show you that. All right, so make sure it's in your dry erase sleeve, right? Looks like this, okay? And you've got your marker and one of your dice and an eraser, and we're good to go, okay? So I rolled a 6, okay? So I'm going to write down 6 plus 2, so 6 plus 2. Now, I want you to practice your counting on strategy. So instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're just going to go, oh, 6. Bam, right there. And then we're going to add 2. 1, 2, and that gets us to 8. Okay? All right, so let's do it again. Let's erase the number line so we can use it again. I'm going to roll it. Ooh, I got an 8 this time. All right, and we're going to go right to the 8. We're going to go 8. And then add on 2. 8, 9, 10. 9, 10. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So I want you to fill this out. Maybe do it 5 or 6 times. Okay? Use the number line. Or use your counting strategies. If you roll let's roll something different. A 2, you could say, oh, 2. If I add on 2 more, that's 3, 4. So I know that 2 plus 2 equals 4. Oh, sorry, 4. All right, boys and girls, have fun. Okay, spend maybe like 15 minutes on this to get really good at your 2s. And I'll see you tomorrow. I got some more fun stuff planned for you. All right, bye-bye.